To maintain your canister efficiently, please follow these simple guidelines. Recommended equipment for maintaining your canister includes a nylon brush, a tin of Apollo Solvent 9, Apollo A1326 aerosol, a small empty tin, an empty container, and correct PPE, including gloves and safety glasses. For best results with the spray pattern, the spray gun and spray tip should be cleaned periodically using the Apollo A1326 aerosol in order to avoid any buildup of adhesive. Once work has been completed, ensure that the valve on the canister remains open. Failure to do this may cause the product to block the hose. Turn the spray gun off by turning the black valve clockwise until it is fully closed. Unscrew the spray tip and locking nut from the spray gun. Pour a small amount of Apollo Solvent 9 into the empty tin. Clean the spray tip and the end of spray gun with Apollo Solvent 9 using a soft nylon brush to ensure that the aperture is clear. This is essential. Failure to clean the spray tip and the end of the spray gun may result in damage to the aperture and prevent the system from working. Place the spray tip and locking nut in the tin with a small amount of Apollo Solvent 9 until it is needed again. Ensure that the container is closed and airtight. If you do not use for 2 weeks, purge approximately 250 milliliters of product through the system. Flush the gun and hose with the Apollo canister flushing system if the system is not going to be used for longer than 4 weeks. Please contact Apollo Roofing Solutions for more information on flushing the system. Once the canister in use is empty, ensure the valve is closed. Depressurize the gun and hose. The gun and hose can then be transferred to a new canister. Please contact us for any further information.